Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm trying to dig a new wildlife pond. It's been really hot recently and there's been very little rain and I'm finding the earth incredibly hard. Literally, it's bone dry and it's as hard as rock and I'm finding it really difficult, almost impossible. It's soul destroying. Anyway, it occurred to me that this would not be this hard if it was moist. If this was moist soil, I think I would be finding it a lot easier to dig than I am doing. And the best method I've been able to come up with really is to use my mattock to chip away and then use my spade to shovel what I've chipped away to one side. There is absolutely no way can I get my spade into this soil. And that's a sharp, long-handled Irish spade, and usually it would just cut into the earth, but I can get a couple of inches down, but then it just gives way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a bit of an experiment. I'm going to moisten the soil and see if that makes any difference. Now, I've got my hosepipe to hand. Now, I did read a little bit on the internet, and apparently very dry soil can become hydrophobic. It just won't absorb moisture. So I'm going to have to take a slightly long-winded approach and put my hosepipe on a mist spray and just leave it so that eventually the soil starts to absorb the moisture. And then hopefully it should be easier to dig. So leave it with me for an hour or so whilst I use my hosepipe on this to moisten the soil, and then I'll do a test to see if it's become any easier to dig. And so here we are, 3 hours later. I soaked it for a good hour and then I just left it for a couple of hours to soak. And we'll now go in the hole and try again with the spade to see whether it's made any difference. Absolutely it has. Immediately I can tell the difference. That is so much softer. And as you've seen in the original part of the video, the spade wasn't even going an inch, but now it's going deep into the soil and making it so much easier to dig. I mean, it's heavier to move because it's now soaked with water, but it's so much easier to dig. I'm really pleased with that. So when in a hole and you can't dig because it's too dry, soak it with water. What a brilliant innovation. Now, I did look on ChatGPT and I asked it why this might be the case, so I will put the reasons on the screen now. Let's explain why damp soil is easier to dig than dry soil. Intuitively, you kind of know that that's going to be the case, but from a scientific point of view, why? Well, you'll be able to see that on the screen now. Well, we've enjoyed that little experiment. I'm going to carry on digging. And if you want to see the results of my digging in my new wildlife pond, which is actually going to be an industrial wasteland wildlife pond with a bog garden in a bath, an insect hotel in a brazier, there will be a link to the full video below this one in due course. I will now carry on digging. See you soon.